Part, part 1 continuation question. Question number 6. The figure given alongside shows the image of a clock as seen in a plane mirror. The correct time is 2.25, 2.35, 6.45, 9.25. See, this is a image of a clock. So what is the correct time shown in object? So this is a plane mirror. This is an image of the clock. So just you have to take a right, left, and same as a right, left. In laterally inverted property, we know that right appears to be left, left appears to be right. So the right side hand appears to be left. The left side hand appears to be right. So the correct time is 9:25. So in object time is 9:25. The image time is 2:35. So option D is the correct answer. In question number 7, a ray of light strikes a plane mirror PQ at an angle of incidence 30, is reflected from the plane mirror and then strikes a second plane mirror QR placed at right angle to the first mirror. The angle of reflection at the second mirror is. A ray of light strikes a plane mirror PQ. This is a plane mirror PQ. This is an incident ray. It makes an angle of incidence 30 degree. So angle of incidence is 30. If it is reflected, this is also 30. This reflector ray, this is a reflector ray. This reflector ray from the plane mirror and then strike the second plane mirror QR at a right angle to the first mirror. So the QR are placed at a right angle to the first plane mirror and the reflector ray is strike on the second plane mirror QR. What is the angle of reflection? So here this ray is reflected. So what is the angle of reflection in the second mirror? So please understand the question. The PQ plane mirror, the light is incident. This is a normal line. It makes 30 degree. So this is a reflector ray. This reflector ray is strike the QR mirror. The QR mirror is placed at right angle to the PQ. So when it strike the second mirror, this is a normal and this is a reflector ray. So what is the angle of reflection? So here angle of incidence 30 means angle of reflection also 30. This is 30 means this is also 30. This 30 means this is 60 because 90 minus 30 is 60. If here the angle of incidence is 60 means angle of reflection also 60. So the angle of reflection in the second mirror is 60. Option A 30, option B 45, option C 60 degree, option D 90 degree. The correct answer is option C 60 degree. In question number 8, an object is placed 20 centimeter in front of a plane mirror. So here I take a plane mirror. The object is placed 20 centimeter. So this is the object. The mirror is moved 2 centimeter towards the object. Again, this mirror is moved 2 centimeter. The distance between the position of the original and final images seen in the mirror. Please understand the question very carefully. See the explanations. Before going to see the explanation, see the option. Option A 2 centimeter, option B is 4 centimeter, option C 10 centimeter, option D 22 centimeter. In plane mirror, we know the concept. This is object means this is image. The object distance is equal to the image distance. This is 20 centimeter means the image also 20 centimeter from the mirror. If the mirror is moved 2 centimeter towards the object means now the distance between the object to mirror is 18 centimeter. The same also here also the image distance is 18 centimeter. Now you have to find the distance between the position of the original and final image seen in the mirror. So first the image is seen here when the object is placed 20 centimeter. When the mirror is moved 2 centimeter, this is 18 centimeter, so the image is formed here. Now you have to calculate the distance between the original image and final image. So see the explanation. We know that for a plane mirror, the image distance is equal to the object distance. An object is placed 20 centimeter in front of a plane mirror, then image is formed at 20 centimeter behind the mirror. So this concept we know very well. If object is placed 20 centimeter in front of a plane mirror means the image is also formed behind the mirror 20 centimeter. If the mirror is moved 2 centimeter towards the object, then what is the distance between the object and the mirror? 20 minus 2, 18. The same thing, the distance between image and mirror is 20 minus 2, 18 centimeter. Therefore, the total distance between the position of the original and final image is D equal to distance of the original image minus distance of the final image. If you subtract, you get 4 centimeter. The next question, a man stands 10 meter in front of a large plane mirror. How far must he walk before he is 5 meter away from his image? Option A 7.5 meter, option B 12.5 meter, option C 2.5 meter, option D 5 meter. See, this is a plane mirror. A man stands 10 meter in front of a large plane mirror. So this is a plane mirror. He is standing 10 meter. How far must he walk before he is 5 meter away from his image? So the image also form 10 meter. How far must he walk before he is 5 meter away from his image? So from the image distance to the object distance 5 meter. We need 5 meter. So total distance 5 meter means here 2.5, here 2.5. So how much distance he have to walk? In a 7.5 meter he have to walk. So see here they given the solution, image 10 meter, 10 meter, and he have to walk 7.5 meter. Then only the distance between the object to image is a 5 meter. So option A is the correct answer. The 10th question, focal length of a plane mirror is 0, infinite, option C 25 centimeter, option D minus 25. So first you have to know what is meant by focal length. this is incident ray, this is reflector ray. Maybe the light is incidence here, this is reflector ray. When these two reflector ray are meet at one point, this is called focus. The distance from this to the focus is called focal length. But in a plane mirror, the reflector ray are not meet. So the focal length is infinite. But if you take a concave mirror, this is a concave mirror, when the light fall on this, it reflect back. Maybe the light fall here, it reflected back. So these two reflector ray are meet at one point, this is called focus. But if you take a plane mirror, the reflector ray are not meet at any point, so the focal length is infinite. In question number 11, which statement is true for the reflection of light? The angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. The reflector light is less bright than the incident light. The sum of angle of incidence and reflection is always greater than 90. Option D, the beam of incident after reflection diverge at unequal angles. Option A is the correct answer. The angle of incidence and angle of reflection are equal. In question number 12, when a plane mirror is rotated through a certain angle, the reflector ray turns through twice as much and the size of the image. See here, this is the first plane mirror position. Just if I rotate the plane mirror, this is the second rotation. Again if I rotate means this is a third rotation, in fourth rotation. So when a plane mirror is rotated through a certain angle, the reflected ray through twice as much and the size of the image is doubled, is halved, becomes infinite and remains the same. In a plane mirror, the size of the image are same. It does not depend on the angle. So option D is the correct answer. In 13th question, if an object is placed symmetrically between two plane mirrors inclined at an angle of 72 degree, then the total number of images formed. Here I took two plane mirror. This is one plane mirror and this is another plane mirror. Here the two plane mirror are inclined at an angle of 90 degree. If two plane mirror are inclined at angle 72. If I placed an object here, how many image will be formed in the mirrors? So how do you find the how many image formed in the mirror? Just you have to memorize this table. Even, the even number and odd number. The position is symmetric, asymmetric. If even number means if two object in symmetry means you have to find the number of images 360 minus theta, 360 degree by theta minus 1. In asymmetry means 360 by theta minus 1. In odd number symmetry means 360 by theta minus 1. In odd number asymmetry means 360 degree by theta. So here here if an object is a symmetry, so we have to take a symmetry between two plane mirror inclined at an angle 72 degree, then total image formed. So here only one object. So here we placed a symmetric object. They are not given even number and odd number. So for even and odd, both have same formula. So inclined angle is 72. So here the theta is the inclined angle. So you have to take 360 minus theta minus 1. 360 degree by what is the inclined angle? 72 minus 1. 172 are 72, 5 72 are 360. So 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So the 4 image will be formed in between the two plane mirrors. Option A 5, option B 4, option C 2, option D infinite. So the correct answer is 4. You have to check whether it is a symmetric or asymmetric, and object whether it is even number or odd number. Here the theta represent the inclined angle. In question number 14, the angle of incidence for a ray of light having zero reflection, the angle is 0, option B 30, option C 45, option D 90. See, the angle of reflection, the angle of incidence for a ray of light having 0. So angle of incidence is 0 means the angle of reflection also 0. This is a law of reflection of light. So option A is the correct answer. For reflecting surface, I equal to R. In question number 15, an object is placed at a distance 0.25 meter in front of a plane mirror. The distance between the object and the image. Option A 0.25 meter, option B 1.0 meter, option C 0.5 meter, option D 0.125 meter. See, this is a plane mirror. This is an image, an object is placed 0.25 meter. So 0.25 meter. So the image also formed 0.25 meter. They asked the distance between the object and the image. This is object and this is the image. So the total distance between object to images, here 0.25 and here also 0.25. When we add 0.25 plus 0.25, we get 0.5 meter. So distance between object and image is 0.25 plus 0.25 equal to 0.5 meter. I hope you understood. You have to practice this question. If you have any doubt regarding these questions, you can ask through teachment. Thanks for watching. Thank you all.